Replace.
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 Replace is a verb. As a verb, replace can mean 1. To restore to a former place, position, condition, etc., to put back. 2. To refund, to repay, to pay back. 3. To supply or substitute an equivalent for. 4. To take over the position or role from. 5. To take the place of, to be used instead of. 6. To demolish a building and build an updated form of that building in its place. 7. To place again. 8. To put in a new or different place.
But new economic concerns arose to replace them.